Bam Bam. Y'all, look who came to see me real quick. Guess who?
Hello, guys. Hello, YouTube world. What's going on with y'all?
Y'all, the life of a truck driver wife. Y'all, he literally came home and now he gotta go. He put me to sleep. Well, man, I can't put you to sleep. You can't go to sleep, bro. Y'all, he got here at, it's 10:57 now. He got here probably, 30 minutes ago? He surprised me. I'm glad he did. Alright, bro. He want me to let him out. He need to get some stuff. I'm smiling, y'all, but I'm sad. But I'm glad to see him. It's alright. I'm here walking behind. You gotta get your shoes. It's cold. I can't go out there. He need to get some shower shoes. Oh, you got them?
Shower shoes. Can they see him? Yeah, they can see him. Shower shoes.
You going out the garage? Did you ain't lock the front door?
Yeah, I did.
All of it? The screen too?
Make sure, y'all.
Yeah, make sure, please. Oh my God. Y'all, I had just laid down.
She didn't know I was coming, y'all.
No, I didn't know.
She didn't know I was coming, so surprise.
He popped up on me, probably trying to make sure wasn't nobody here too. You gone?
I wasn't doing that. Bro.
You gone?
I trust my wife.
Are you gone?
Huh?
You gone?
Yeah, I'm gone. I trust my wife. Love you. Come on, sit.
I gotta shut the garage. I don't have on no pants. I love you. Be safe. Love you. Y'all, my baby. Y'all, this is so new for us. Like, this is so different. So different. Now I know I'm gonna have trouble going back to sleep. Oh, I'm about to break the damn lamp. And put on an alarm. And turn off the light. Nope, wrong light. Okay. Come back in the room. Y'all, oh my God, my baby. Y'all, my baby. Okay, I'm about to lay down. I'll see y'all in the morning. I am so excited, y'all, that he just did a pop-up. I wasn't expecting it at all, but I love it. I'm down for whatever. Come get a quickie and then send him back on his way so he can do what he needs to do. So I'll see y'all in the morning once me and the kiddos get up and we start a brand new day. Oh my God, y'all, that's so player. I love that, man. All right, y'all, good night. What's up, y'all? I didn't officially welcome y'all to the vlog because we started it last night. So let me take that.
Bam Bam.
Hey, Fam Bam. I didn't officially welcome y'all to the vlog last night because I just didn't. I was worried about other things. So let me take this time to say welcome to another vlog, Fam Bam.
Can I talk to you?
Can you tell them good morning?
You tell the camera to the vlog. That was cool. Yes, so sweet.
Y'all, they don't even know. Watch this. Guess what, son? He like to lay on my stomach. Guess what, son?
I like to lay on your stomach.
Daddy came home last night. While y'all was asleep. You missed him. But he went and looked at y'all. He saw y'all sleeping.
Well, he got back to work.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, I didn't wake up.
That's okay. You'll see him soon, okay? Okay?
I'm not seeing him soon.
You gonna see him soon. You gonna see him soon. Oh, your cheeks are wet. Alright, y'all. So
Ma?
I'm dragging a little bit this morning.
Can I come in the cabinet?
Wait, son. Let me talk to family. Can I talk to them for a minute?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think you want from the cabinet?
I want something not sweet.
But that means something sweet.
No.
Y'all, I should be like up and moving. I don't even know what time it is. My phone is charging, but it's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Oh, here's the other one.
Why do we look the same? I have on. Hold up.
You can just leave that on, Cam. Not leave it on. I'm just gonna leave it pinned.
Why?
Cause I don't feel like taking your curls down and then pinning it again tonight. You only going to Gigi house. Y'all not going nowhere.
But I like my curls. Ma, can I go to Gigi house tomorrow? Wait, no.
Tomorrow, Thanksgiving. We're going to a lot of houses tomorrow, I think. But I don't even know what time it is, y'all. Like I said, it's the day before Thanksgiving, and I gotta go to work. And I'm struggling a little bit because I don't want to go, but I gotta go. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic, but I still need to brush my teeth. Cam needs to wash her face. Go wash your face, Cam. In your bathroom. In your bathroom, Cameron. Come on, Cam. In your bathroom. Let me have my space in my bathroom.
It was gonna be quick, but...
You're right. It's gonna be quick in your bathroom. Bam, I lost y'all for a minute. I had to go clear up some space. But let me wash my face, brush my teeth, put on my sweater, finish getting, well, they're basically ready. Kaden out there playing the game, y'all. He is obsessed. I gotta figure something out with it. It's either kids YouTube or it's either the game. So, Cameron, take off that bonnet. Let me do what I need to do. This is what her hair looks like. She has, wait, look to the mirror. She has 4 braids on the side, and then she got some pin curls. Look at me. So she feeling herself. I need to slap a little oil on it tonight, I think.
Yeah, that's what my mom. Your mom said.
That's what my mom said. Of course she did. All right, let me grab my sweater.
Oh, comment down below if you know who comment this is.
Cameron, it's not no comment down below if they know who comb it is.
It's mine. Caden.
Cameron, you still got lotion on your face. Y'all, Sonny got a haircut the other day too. Him and Babe. So they pretty much ready for Thanksgiving. I don't really care about myself.
What are you doing?
Don't comb her hair. Come on, y'all, let's ride because it's after 7.
Something in the cabinet. Mom, because
Ma, Mom. Mom.
My
Mom.
mouth is watering.
That's all I hear. Mom. Mom.
My mouth is watering. Mom. Mom.
Alright, y'all. It's a hell. I don't know if I'm supposed to take this to her. I don't know. She might have to get that tomorrow. What I finna say, so at least let me put it in the refrigerator. Can y'all wait? Let me assess what I need to do to get us out the house. Please. Alright, we're gonna put this ham in the container. Excuse me. And put it in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Cameron, you can have some water. Or you can have applesauce. Or a yogurt.
A yogurt.
Well, honey, get you a yogurt. Oh, it was 2 juices still in here.
That's not.
Huh.
Oh yeah, can we have?
That's what y'all want instead?
Yes.
Huh.
Thank you. I don't know.
Keep it till you get in the car.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in your bag. Mom, but how it's gonna be? How we gonna give it to her? Tomorrow. But it's gonna be Thanksgiving.
Oh,
what
today
if people
is
are already there?
Oh, Jesus. Alright, I got trash that need to go out. Y'all need to turn off your lights, please. Well, somebody turn off the bathroom light. And somebody turn off the other light.
I'll turn off the light. Hey! I'm gonna get something sweet in there.
No, you're not getting nothing sweet. I have an attitude in the morning. I really do. That trash stink. How about y'all go ahead and get in the car and let me do what I need to do.
There we go. Open up the freezer.
Where is my coat? My coat is over here.
Mom, something else.
Y'all, I have to brush my brush stay in my bag. What else? Y'all, I am so unorganized in the morning.
Well, I'm gonna open it.
I'm just trying to crank it up for y'all so you won't be in here freezing.
You can reach us by dialing pound wall on your cell phone. That's pound 529. Pound wall. Either internet conference or work, call us. Morgan or people.com. This Friday, it's a new sign of human state.
When your head.
By the next car from Nissan and Union City. One family-owned operator for 25 years. This Friday, it's a Black Friday auto sale to save up $10,000 on MSRP on select units.
Let me have y'all trash. Nope. Y'all, showing y'all everything, how disorganized I be in the morning. And I think that I gotta, let me grab this and put this in the car. My work bag and my coat. Here goes some more trash I don't need. I think I'm gonna have to come through the what am I trying to say? I think I'm gonna have to come through the front door anyway because the sensor on the garage is acting up for whatever reason. I even got a trash bag in the car that I don't use. Alright. So now, let's pull the Herbie Kirby down. trying not to step in the grass because the grass is wet, y'all. But I'm gonna have to. Okay. Today is hopefully trash day. But ain't nobody else got theirs, but some people do. Oh, my shoes getting wet. Alright, Kirby set. What else? Oh, I need to bring this big trash box down.
That's the wobble bag. Someone's stealing. That's the wobble. That's the big wobble.
Hey, good morning. Am I supposed to bring you this ham?
You can turn it off if you want to. Yeah, I want to.
Huh?
I say if you want to, you can drive when you get off. But if you can now, it'll be good.
Alright. I figured I just didn't know if I needed to bring it out the house.
Oh yeah, it needs to be. Because if you got to sit with it in your car, it'll be hard when you get off.
No, it's already thawed out. So I just...
Oh, okay, yeah. Bring it in.
Alright. Bye. One more stop I gotta make this morning, y'all. Bam, bam. Let's take the break off. It is 7:48 and we finally backing out the driveway. 18 minutes later, then I'm gonna hit the trash can. 18 minutes than when I wanted to leave the house. But I'm gonna look at it like this. At least it's not 8 o'clock. At least it's not 8 o'clock, y'all.
Mom, why are you looking like that?
Why I looking like that?
Yeah, because that camera is like that.
Because mommy doesn't mount it. So y'all, I'm not car vlogging. I'll see y'all when I get to my first
I
destination.
can see you, Ma.
Which is dropping these two off at Gigi house.
Yeah!
Yay, Gigi house. Yeah,
Where you going?
I'm going to work.
Yeah, have a good day at work, Mom.
Oh, thank you,
have a
son.
good day, Mom.
Thank you, Cam Pam. Y'all
And
the
you better
sweetest.
not do nothing at your work.
I know that's real. And you better not do nothing at your Gigi house. How about that?
How about that? Hey.
Mm.
How about
That's all he can say, y'all, is
Walk.
Just dropped the kids off at Gigi house. I was actually worried about what time I left for nothing because I need to go to my work's bank. It's a complicated process, but every so often I have to go pick up checks from my place of employment's bank and give it to the director of accounting. And so the bank doesn't open until 9, so that's good because I still got to go to Mill's house. But I need to text old girl. Need to go by, y'all, I do not text like this. Need to go by the bank. Be there. Let me put First Citizens. Need to go by First Citizens, so you know I'm not going to the bank for myself, but for this. Be there after 9. Need to go by First Citizens. 2, I'm gonna be really specific. 2 Petty. Pick up checks. There. Need to go by First Citizens to pick up checks. Be there after 9. Bloop. So I'll see y'all when I see you. But no, honestly, that's really good because now that gives me an opportunity to go to Meals. So we'll go to Meals, drop off this ham, then from there, legit go to the bank, and then finally get to work. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like, in the morning, I park on the street. I got kind of close to you. I park on the street because the drop off is literally when I had to drop them off, like, it's literally more convenient to just park on the street. Like, I'll show y'all up here. So like, it's literally easy to just get you a spot like right here in front of the building. So your girl parallel parked so well just now. Like, I was on one and done, honey. I backed that thing up close to the curb and it wasn't nothing. It wasn't nothing, y'all. I was so proud of myself. Cause you don't have to parallel park often, at least in Atlanta. I don't. I pull into a spot, mainly I back into a spot, and then you're good to go. You get out your car, lock it, do what you gotta do, come back. It's rare that I have to parallel park because I really don't come downtown that much and like go out and stuff like that. So when your girl get to test her skills, she be proud of herself. And today was no different. I was super proud of myself. Oh, here come another car. All right, y'all, let me pay attention. And I will check in with y'all probably when I get to the bank. Bam, bam. All this money I just picked up, y'all. 3 envelopes from First Citizens. I didn't take y'all in there. I should have, but I didn't. But 3 envelopes worth of money going to my job, y'all. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's over. Like, it's almost probably, that might be about 500 grand worth of checks that I'm carrying right now, y'all. Real talk. Real talk. So who texted me? Oh, she said okay. But I have my do not disturb on, so didn't see that. Alright, so Lynbrook. Oh my god, I said where I work. But it doesn't matter because I am leaving. I am leaving there, y'all. I turned in my notice. My last day is November 29th, but I don't know. I told her I might come in on the 30th, which is that Friday. But this is my last bank run, y'all. And I'm so excited. I hope that they share with the person who gets this position. I hope they share with them that it's imperative that they have a car because they'll have to come to the bank. Because nobody told me that until after the fact, which is fine. I need to text my girl and ask her, because I'm over doing this. I'm overdoing this. The weave is just, I'm over it. So I want me some braids. Yeah, I'm just random, but I'm trying to get my hair together. I'm just random. But I want me some braids that will be long like this, but then I can pull them up and then you can see like my shaved side in my back, my tapered cut. So that's what my thought was as I was just brushing my hair. But I was talking about something else because I was just leaving the bank. Again, mind all over the place. But y'all, I'm in Buckhead. I'm on West Paces Ferry right now because that's where the bank is. So it shouldn't take me that long to get to work. It'll probably take me maybe 15 minutes tops, depending on like the traffic on Peachtree and all that kind of stuff. But my last bank run, y'all. My last bank run. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. Be having pain up under my left boob, my chest. Especially when I get close to this place, Lord, it just be like, I don't know what it is. It hurts. It hurts bad. Stress. But y'all saw a little glimpse of what my morning is like, and this is not normal. By no means do I have to go to this place, go to this place, go to that place, come to the bank. I mean, I do have stops in the morning. Normally it's Cam school and then dropping Kaden off. Boom. But this was just a crazy morning, and I just feel like I hope my day is not crazy. Again, like I said, it's the day before Thanksgiving. This is supposed to be a chill day. Traffic was light. Like, I don't want no problems. I don't want no problems like today. I don't want no problems, y'all. So with that being said, thank y'all for staying with us, staying with me as I close out this vlog. Y'all saw all the things that I have to do. And hey, what we do, ladies, what we do, dads, single dads, if you are a single dad, what we do, we get it done, y'all. We get it done. You have no choice but to get it done.